Hey everybody, what's happening? Son of a Silver Stacker here. In today's Numismatic news and information for the 30th day of July, 2021, I'd like to take you over to JM Bullion so we can look at the live spot prices. But before we do that, I'd like to thank Can, Gunny, and everybody who showed up yesterday for the live stream. Really appreciate it. That was outstanding. Couldn't have done it without any of you. So thank you all. Really appreciate that. Now, let's head here to JM Bullion. Looks like gold is down $2.55 to 1834.88. Silver's down 9 cents to 25.63. Platinum's down $16.30 to 1065.97. And palladium is actually up $2.64 to 2685.49. Now, you know yesterday what happened? It was the big day at the mint, the drop of it's the American Eagle gold coin. And it's a gold proof coin out of West Point, New York, and it's the Type 2 reverse. It's a reverse of 2021. Now, this one here at the top, that's the 4-coin set, sold out in about 4 or 5 minutes, probably about 4 minutes, I guess. The next one to sell out was the half-ounce coin. That's this one here. I think that was at about 6 or 8 minutes. Then the following one was the 1/4 ounce, and then that one was just gobbled up as well pretty quickly within 15 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. Then the next one was the 1-ounce gold coin, and I thought that would have gone a little bit further than the half or the 1/4 ounce, but nope. This was the fourth one to disappear. And then finally, the 1/10 ounce went to back order. And then now, well, you can see it's at the remind me status. So you can't even do the back order on the 1/10 ounce gold proof coin right now. Now, I went over to the Google machine and looked up the United States Mint and to see if there was any information about yesterday's drop. And there isn't anything just yet. But there will be soon, I imagine. But it was a lot of fun yesterday. We had a really good time. Really good time. So nothing as of yet. Pretty much of a wasteland out there. I mean, there's the announcement for it, but nothing really saying what had happened. Yeah, not really anything. Now, let's head over here to coinnews.net. There's an article by Mike Unser, and it has the United States Mint Sales 2021 W Proof Silver Eagle Type 2 at 384,532 total units sold. And we know that because we did a video about 2 days ago and did the math on that. One of the really cool things about this is they just put it in a nice package that we can see, and I really appreciate it. So thank you, Mr. Mike Unser and coinnews.net. And I'll leave a link to this article in the description below. And I want to show you the top 10 products that were sold during the launch. And I'll tell you what, this just came out 10 days ago. And just yesterday, we had the Gold Eagle. So much going on, folks. So it says here, released Tuesday, July 20 for $73. The Proof Eagle lasted just minutes before becoming unavailable. We know all about that. The individual coin, product code 21EAN, has a listed product limit of 300,000. Mint figures have its sales at 298,852 units sold. But you also have to, in addition right here, Mint Stats show sales of the 40-coin bulk option, product code 21EAN040 at 2,142 units for a grand total, of a total of 85,680 unit coins out of the 40-coin bulk program there. So ungraded examples, we already talked about that. They're already selling for double. Now here we go. This is the United States Mint's most popular numismatic products for the week ending July 25. Number 1 is coming in at that Silver Eagle. We know that. 298,000 units in one day. Yeah, that's going to be the top seller. Now, number 2 is that strong selling proof set from 2021. That is so huge. Look at that, 4,000 units almost. That is strong. Number 3, well, it's that bulk purchase coming in at about 8,000, right? Number 4 is the 2021 silver proof set at 2,090 units, which actually had some pretty robust sales last time. Now, check this out. Number 5 is that U.S. Air Force 2.5 ounce silver medal. It had an additional 690 units sold that week to 9,992, and it is now currently unavailable. Now, coming in at number 6, the 2021 Philadelphia, that's the proof Christa McAuliffe silver dollar, up 500 units to 42,400 units. Now, coming in at number 7 is that birth set from 2021. Number 8 is the 2021 West Point minted $50 American Gold Buffalo coin, up 371 units. And check it out, we have an American Innovation entry here, and that's the 2020 American Innovation Dollar Proof Set. Check that out. That's last year's. Now, coming in at the 10th spot is the 2021 Proof National Law Enforcement Silver Dollar, up 297 units to 23,492. Interesting numbers there, folks. Really interesting. High drama at the Mint these last 10 days, right? Just incredible. Now, we're about 5.5 minutes in. I want to share something with you that I thought I had come across, and Mineco64 had made me think about it, and I'm going to share it with you. Now, this is the Global Investor Alliance. Your money works, you play, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what the heck's going on with this, but I thought it was really interesting. And it says here, the most dependable and consistent way to generate wealth is by investing in real estate and agriculture. Now, well, I mean, if you think about it, if you're investing in agriculture, you can actually buy the real estate and invest in agriculture at the same time. And that's kind of what I'd like to do, is have a blueberry farm someplace. And I think that's really smart, because they're not making any more land last time I checked, unless they find a new planet to live on. Now, or live underground, right? Like they do on the Earth with different levels in a building, but they can live in different levels underneath. And then all of a sudden we're talking about, what's that, H.G. Wells' Time Machine with the... not good. But anyway, listen, they had an article I wanted to share with you. And it's more of just an info article. And it's from actually about a year ago now, August 8, 2020. And it says here, are we at risk of stagflation or even shock horror hyperinflation? And it says here, and I want to read the stagflation part. Stagflation occurs, and I'm not trying to be down. I'm just trying to say there's opportunities. And if you can see what's on the horizon, you'll see opportunities now. And listen, it's the weekend, so you can take steps now. Stagflation occurs when there is a sustained period of high inflation combined with high unemployment and no economic growth. A seemingly contradictory condition, stagflation is characterized by a simultaneous rise in prices and a decline in economic output. I think we're going through that now. Stagflation rarely occurs in a normal market economy, as a slow economy typically reduces consumer demand, driving prices down. But that's not the case here. If you look at the components of stagflation below, it doesn't seem like we are far from it. The only thing we are missing now is the inflation component itself. And we already know that that's here. And here's that chart a little bit more blown up. Now, since here, stagflation. Now we have the inflation part now. We have the lower gross domestic product, right? We have higher rates of unemployment. And we're getting closer to recession in most of the economic activities and poor implementation of government policies. It's all there, folks. It is all there. See, long believed impossible, stagflation, a term that combines stagnant and inflation, was introduced in the 1970s when the U.S. witnessed both rising inflation and a shrinking economy. Since then, economists have put forth several theories on how the phenomenon of stagflation could occur. And really, we're here, I think. We're not here, even though oil prices have risen, doubled in the last year, I guess. Maybe that is part of it. I mean, everything is a component, I guess, but there it is. And like I said, this is an opportunity. And, money isn't the only thing you can trade of value, right? You can trade items that have intrinsic value, physical items. It doesn't have to be just cash money or gold. I hear and from Mineco64 that in Venezuela right now, they're actually using their paper money to hold bits of gold. So it is, like he said, it does have a value, that paper money. It holds their gold while they're going shopping. So shopping centers, shopping markets, supermarkets are now taking bits of gold for food. I'm telling you. So isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? Wow. So anyway, that's the opportunity, folks. It's all there. And just one last thing I want to hit you up with. Gunny has lined up some very amazing guests for this Sunday evening show. I'm blown away myself, and I'm super excited. I don't even want to share it because I don't want to jinx it. But hopefully, we have two of the biggest guests we probably ever had on the show since ever. So really looking forward to that. Hopefully, to have them on Sunday evening. And I'm going to make another video on Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. also. So just to maybe confirm that. So we'll see. Anyway, thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you do like what you hear and see, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. Son of a Silver Stacker, out.